Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, we go to this little arrow and the circle, we click on that. The first time you use it, you'll have to click again and say that you're not going to be distracted, so you have to agree to that. So it's a black screen with white writing on, you have to agree. So this is it at the moment. That's just the map. We have to press that again, and you've got where to map view favorites. So again, if you want the map view, you click like so, but we want where to, enter postcode. We've changed our address now. We're Grosvenor Garage, I have to remember, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, and it's PR. Again, the Range Rover system changes to numbers straight away, so it's PR5. Easy to use in other systems because it's only 2 digits. Normally with 2 digits on other systems you have to put an underscore in, or a hyphen, or whatever you call, or a space. So PR5 4EA, that's our new address. That's it, PR5 4EA. Click on it. It's just
being calculated.
Calculating the route, and that's okay. We're 35 mile back to the garage, hence the 70 mile road test, and that's it.
Please follow the road for 5.1 miles.
Now the other great thing with Range Rovers, as I say, everything's dead easy to do. If I click back on that, you've got stop guidance there, so if you don't want it, if you get near enough and you know where you're going from now on, and you can just knock it off without going through all the menu and trying to find something to knock it off. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.